The power system of a tractor is its core component, providing the necessary energy for the entire machine to perform various agricultural, industrial, or specialized tasks. Let's delve into the knowledge related to tractor power systems. The power system of a tractor primarily consists of a diesel engine, a transmission system, and a control system. 1. Diesel engine. The engine is a device that converts thermal energy into mechanical energy, working based on the principles of thermodynamics and mechanics. The diesel engine is the heart of the tractor power system. It typically uses an internal combustion engine that generates power by burning fuel. The engines in most domestically produced tractors are diesel engines. The power generated by the engine is transmitted to the tractor's drive wheels through the transmission system, enabling the tractor to move forward, backward, or turn. The diesel engine is composed of several key components that work together to ensure proper engine operation. These components mainly include 1. Engine block. This is the outer casing of the diesel engine, housing all internal components. Inside the block are several cylinders where diesel combustion and energy conversion occur. 2. Crankshaft and connecting rod mechanism. This mechanism includes the crankshaft, connecting rod, and piston. The operating principle is that the piston moves reciprocally within the cylinder, and through its connection with the crankshaft via the connecting rod, the linear motion of the piston is converted into the rotational motion of the crankshaft, thereby generating power. 3. Valve mechanism. The valve mechanism includes valves and valve actuating components, controlling the intake and exhaust of gases within the cylinder to ensure the mixture of diesel and air and the expulsion of exhaust gases. 4. Fuel supply system. This system delivers diesel to the engine and atomizes it through injectors into the cylinders. It includes the fuel injection pump, injectors, and related fuel lines. 5. Lubrication system. The lubrication system uses an oil pump to distribute oil to various lubrication points within the engine to reduce friction and wear, ensuring smooth operation. 6. Cooling system. This system uses circulating coolant to absorb and dissipate the heat generated by the engine, preventing overheating. 7. Starting system. For diesel engines requiring external starting, the starting system provides the initial rotational power to get the engine running from a stationary state. To transition the engine from stationary to operating, external force must first rotate the crankshaft, causing the pistons to move reciprocally. The combustible mixture in the cylinders then combusts, expanding and performing work, pushing the pistons downward and rotating the crankshaft. Only then can the engine operate autonomously, with the working cycle continuing automatically. Therefore, the entire process from the crankshaft starting to rotate under external force to the engine beginning to idle automatically is referred to as the engine starting. 2. Transmission system. The transmission system transmits the power generated by the engine to the tractor's drive wheels, allowing the tractor to move forward, backward, or turn. The transmission system comprises several main components, including the clutch, gearbox, central transmission, differential, final drive, power output, and front driving axle. Each of these components has specific functions, working together to ensure the tractor operates smoothly and efficiently. The clutch is one of the key components of the transmission system. It connects directly to the tractor engine and can transmit power to the gearbox. The clutch functions include smoothly transmitting engine power to the gearbox, interrupting power transmission during gear shifts or temporary stops, and providing overload protection to prevent engine damage due to overloading. The gearbox is another important component of the transmission system. It adjusts the engine's speed and torque to meet different operational needs. By adjusting the gearbox, the tractor can operate at different speeds and loads, meeting the demands of various agricultural operations. The central transmission and differential transfer power from the gearbox to the drive wheels while ensuring the tractor can turn smoothly. The final drive components transmit power from the central transmission to the drive wheels, driving the tractor forward or backward. 3. Power output devices. Power output is also an important part of the transmission system. The power output components can transmit the tractor's power to the agricultural machinery that needs to be driven, while the front driving axle provides additional driving force, enhancing the tractor's traction capacity. The main components include 1. Power output devices. The tractor is equipped with a pulley for various stationary operations, such as pumping, threshing, and generating electricity. The power output pulley is an independent component that can be installed as needed and removed when not in use to avoid obstruction. 2. Towing devices. The simplest towing connection is a point connection at the rear of the tractor for towing agricultural implements or trailers. There are 3 connection methods: towing, suspension, and semi-suspension. The types include fixed and swing rod types. 3. Hydraulic suspension system. It consists of suspension mechanisms, hydraulic systems, and control mechanisms. Its functions include lifting agricultural implements, controlling the raising and lowering of machinery, and regulating tillage depth or maintaining the implements at a specific height from the ground. The tractor power system is a complex and critical system, and its performance directly affects the tractor's effectiveness and operational efficiency. Therefore, when selecting and using a tractor, it's essential to thoroughly understand and consider the performance and characteristics of its power system. Doing so ensures that the tractor's performance is maximized, operational efficiency is improved, and its service life is extended. Finally, please think about the following questions. 1. What are the components of the tractor power system? 2. What are the main components of a diesel engine? That concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching.